I've been reluctant to make a reaction story or video to the Gatwick drone incident that happened just before Christmas, and the major reason I've been reluctant is because the story changed so much. We had our special drone and sundry chat about it just before Christmas, and this afternoon, today's the 2nd of January 2019, some information has crossed my desk from what I would consider a very reliable source. Information suggests that perhaps what had happened was that the police drones being used at Gatwick weren't there looking for drones or other drones, but they were there looking for accomplices to a systems hack that occurred, and that systems hack stopped aircraft taking off and landing at Gatwick. And they searched inside the perimeter and outside the perimeter because they weren't sure exactly where the attack was coming. I'm not quite sure how they would find somebody in that sort of a search. If they're clever enough to do that, they'll probably do it from an island somewhere hot and warm, because I understand the weather was quite bad at Gatwick that evening. So why do it there? But that aside, I think that makes a lot more sense. I thought the reaction at the time was disproportionate to the threat. And I did think, again, at the time, I thought, I wonder if something else is going on. Only time will tell if that's the case. But it leaves me asking the question, was Gatwick actually hacked?